Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of textbooks, formulas, and deadlines, especially when exam season rolls around? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a mountain of material, wondering how we're ever going to conquer it all. And that's exactly why we're talking about something called Newton Review Day. It's a lifeline, a game changer, a secret weapon for students everywhere. But what exactly is a Newton Review Day? That's what we're diving into today. Now, before we get into the specifics, let's paint a picture. Imagine this: you've got a massive history exam coming up. Dates, names, events, everything swirling around in your head like a chaotic tornado. Or maybe it's physics, and you're wrestling with concepts like gravity, acceleration, and the laws of motion. Or perhaps it's math, and those equations are starting to look more like hieroglyphics than anything else. The pressure is on, and you're feeling overwhelmed. Sound familiar? This feeling of being overwhelmed is incredibly common, and it's something that Newton Review Day is designed to combat. It's not just another study session, it's a structured, focused, and incredibly effective way to prepare for exams. Think of it as a concentrated burst of learning, a guided tour through the essential material, all geared towards boosting your understanding and your confidence. So, let's break it down. What is a Newton Review Day? At its core, it's a dedicated day, or sometimes a series of days, specifically set aside for intensive review of a particular subject or topic. It's a chance to consolidate your knowledge, identify any weak areas, and sharpen your skills before the big test. It's not about cramming, it's about strategic review. Now, you might be thinking, I already study. What makes Newton Review Day different? That's a great question. The key difference lies in the structure and the focus. A typical study session might involve flipping through your notes, rereading chapters, or trying to solve a few practice problems. While these activities are helpful, they can often lack direction. Newton Review Day, on the other hand, is much more targeted. It often involves a combination of different learning techniques. Think interactive lectures, group discussions, practice tests, and personalized feedback. It's about actively engaging with the material, not just passively absorbing it. It's about asking questions, clarifying doubts, and working through challenging concepts with the guidance of experienced instructors or tutors. One of the biggest benefits of Newton Review Day is the opportunity to learn from experts. These are people who have a deep understanding of the subject matter and who are skilled at explaining complex ideas in a clear and concise way. They can provide valuable insights, highlight key concepts, and offer practical tips for tackling exam questions. Another advantage is the collaborative learning environment. You're surrounded by other students who are also preparing for the same exam, and this creates a sense of camaraderie and support. You can share notes, discuss challenging problems, and learn from each other's strengths. This collaborative aspect can be incredibly motivating and can help to reduce feelings of isolation and stress. Newton Review Day often incorporates practice tests and mock exams. These are designed to simulate the actual exam experience, allowing you to get a feel for the format, the timing, and the types of questions you can expect. This is invaluable for building confidence and reducing exam anxiety. It's also a great way to identify any remaining knowledge gaps and focus your review efforts accordingly. But it's not just about academics. Newton Review Day also recognizes the importance of well-being. Exam preparation can be stressful, and it's crucial to take care of your physical and mental health. That's why Newton Review Day often incorporates breaks, relaxation techniques, and stress management strategies. It's about creating a supportive and encouraging environment where students can thrive. So, what does a typical Newton Review Day look like? While the specifics can vary depending on the subject and the program, there are some common elements. It usually starts with a review of the key concepts and formulas. This might involve a lecture-style presentation, a group discussion, or a combination of both. Then, there's usually a focus on problem-solving and application. This is where you get to put your knowledge to the test, working through practice problems and applying the concepts you've learned. Practice tests and mock exams are often a significant part of the day, providing valuable feedback and helping you to identify areas where you need to improve. There's also usually time for questions and answers, allowing you to clarify any doubts you may have. And, as mentioned earlier, there's often an emphasis on stress management and well-being. Now, let's talk about the benefits in more detail. We've touched on some of them already, but it's worth reiterating just how impactful Newton Review Day can be. First and foremost, it improves your understanding of the material. By actively engaging with the concepts, working through problems, and getting personalized feedback, you gain a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Second, it boosts your confidence. By practicing under exam-like conditions and receiving positive reinforcement, you build confidence in your abilities and reduce exam anxiety. This confidence can make a huge difference in your performance on the actual exam. Third, it improves your time management skills. By working through practice tests and mock exams, you learn how to allocate your time effectively and avoid getting bogged down on difficult questions. This is a crucial skill for exam success. Fourth, it reduces stress. By providing a structured and supportive learning environment, Newton Review Day helps to reduce the stress and anxiety associated with exam preparation. This allows you to focus on learning and perform at your best. Fifth, it enhances your learning strategies. By participating in a Newton Review Day, you learn new and effective ways to study and retain information. These strategies can be valuable not just for the upcoming exam, but for future learning as well. So, who can benefit from Newton Review Day? The answer is just about any student who wants to improve their exam performance. Whether you're a high school student preparing for final exams, a college student tackling challenging coursework, or a professional studying for certification exams, Newton Review Day can provide the support and guidance you need to succeed. It's particularly beneficial for students who are struggling with a particular subject, who are feeling overwhelmed by the amount of material they need to cover, or who simply want to maximize their chances of success. It's also a great option for students who learn best in a structured and interactive environment. In conclusion, Newton Review Day is a powerful tool for exam preparation. It's a focused, structured, and effective way to consolidate your knowledge, identify weak areas, and boost your confidence. It's not just about cramming, it's about strategic review, expert guidance, and collaborative learning. It's about giving yourself the best possible chance of success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.